Okay, so right now he's climbing up the tree. I have no idea how this goes together exactly.
Our best ever Myanmar food tour continues, moving from Myanmar's southern coastal city of Myek to the country's highlands in Pindaya.
Here it is a lot more cold than I thought. So I bought a jacket from a local shop. I look like a Rambo who accidentally went to Myanmar instead of Vietnam.
Here, I'll be learning the hard way that in Myanmar's backcountry, if you want to eat, you got to put your life on the line. Around here, there's no pleasure without a little bit of pain.
Dude, oh my God.
Or in my case, a lot of pain.
Guys, I brought more food. You're okay?
Today we're taking the path of most resistance. On a mission to hunt and eat like a local.
Just do what the locals do.
This is the simple life, but there's nothing easy about it. So, let's get started. Today I'm on a mission to hunt down some of Myanmar's nastiest predators. My hunting guide is somewhere in this quiet mountain village. This place is home to the Palong people, an ethnic minority living in the Shan state of Myanmar. Before getting my hunting lesson, I've spotted something special.
Well, guys, we've made it to the top of the mountain. Right now, they're having a festival. Everyone sounds very excited. You can hear the uproarious cheers.
We've stumbled upon a rare event, a local sports competition taking place once every few years and being attended by 11 different villages. The event is for kids. The winners get medals, cash prizes, or cool new school accessories. But rather than conjuring up my own childhood memories of 13th place ribbons, I'll be putting my complete focus on the food.
So this whole thing, this is made from chickpea tofu. It has a kind of rubbery quality to it where you want to poke it, but you can't because it's not yours, and so don't. She's gonna cut each piece, peels off the top skin, and then here she's gonna use this to cut it in the final shape.
This dish starts with a brick of chickpea tofu cut down to size. Add fried tofu, tofu paste, a mixture of garlic and salt water, vinegar, chili flakes, and chili oil. It's a dish for all ages and for all participants. Even if you got 13th place and everyone laughed at you, that's fine. You still deserve a ribbon and a fun snack.
Wow. I'm gonna kind of mix it up. Yeah, give it a nice mix. Let's try it out. That's pretty good. Very mild, not too intense. Plenty spicy. I'm gonna get some tofu on here. I like it. Nothing crazy, a little oily, and mostly just some salt flavor, some chili, and then that's kind of all the flavor. This is awesome. I'm gonna look around and see what else we can find.
Vibrant, colorful, traditional dress only make a rare appearance at events like this. The older generation strut with pride, dressed to the nines, honoring those who came before them. As in most parts of Myanmar, the majority of people here are Buddhist, so naturally, the village gatherings take place near the central Buddhist temple.
There's a pretty good amount of food here. We've stumbled into a variety, a table with so much happening. But here, this is what I'm after. This is a papaya salad.
It starts with shredded green papaya, some chickpea powder, chili oil, crispy leek root, salt, MSG, red-eye beans, salt, and fermented tamarind sauce. Add even more chickpea powder, then mix thoroughly until the entire dish is soaking with flavor.
I just realized that I don't exactly fit in. Like some of them look happy, some are curious. That kid in particular looks a little bit sad. This is awesome local food, yo. Check it out, nice small bite to start with. Whoa. Can I be honest to the people who say I say everything is yummy? This one takes a little bit of getting used to. I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of nutty, a little earthy and spicy, but it tastes like old mushrooms or something like that. I thought it would taste a little more fresh, but it's the opposite of fresh. It has kind of a fermented quality to it. Super interesting flavor though. Very different from the last one I had. That one was more light, a little sweet. This one's like hardcore.
By now, the competitions have finished. The award ceremonies are over, and even the kids who didn't win still have parents who love them and validate them. It's time to leave the main stage and move toward the main course.
Boom, we are in the kitchen. This is the operation center. This is where all the action is happening. They've been cooking all morning and they're getting ready to bring the food out to everybody who's waiting. They're hungry. Here we have a curry made of pork and fermented bamboo shoots. Then this is the second dish. This is a chicken curry and he's also portioning that for the dinner guests right now.
The village elders prepare a hearty lunch. That means one village prepares enough food for 10 others. A huge undertaking.
Look at that, that looks so good.
But around here, cooking at scale doesn't mean sacrificing quality.
That's quite a feast. You've outdone yourself. It's okay.
Hey, let's walk this way. This party will rock every minute stolen. If you wanna be my midnight mover.
Oh, well, hi everybody. I hope you're enjoying the food so far. I got some more here, and that definitely goes in this bowl right here. Okay. Bon appetit. Enjoy. Oh, hey everybody. How's the food? Is it good? There's some more of that. All right, take care. Cool. Guys, I brought more food. Look at this. You're okay? Wow. Such a treat to be able to come here so randomly, be accepted by everybody, and give them some food, help out a little bit, although mostly I freak people out. So everybody's eating. It looks like the move is you get some rice in a bowl or a plate. Are you good? Oh, you're leaving? Oh, your mom said you have to stay there. We've all been there, kid. Oh, there's tons of pork skin and pork fat on here. You just mix the pork a little bit with the rice and try it out. Super gamey. It's super intense. It's yummy. Oh, thank you. She scooped me up some chicken here. Lots of greens in there. I'm gonna try that out. I mean, a little spice to it, a little sweet, a little salty. Everything just goes with a huge amount of rice. Wow, it's so yummy.
Feeling free.
I got it!
Free to live my life.
So right now we're at the place where the ants are. So right now we're at the place where the ants are, and we're gonna see the ants. Ant-Man. Ant-Man. Wait, what's your shirt say? Hell.
Meet Shine Ong, a Sayaki villager. He's managed to build himself a house in the countryside amid thy nature. He stays here to guard his family. On this trip, I've forgone the usual local guide in favor of going back to my travel roots, finding ways to break through communication barriers without actually speaking the same language.
Is it like?
Shine is more of a doer and less of a talker anyways. That's probably why he didn't mention anything about today's menu.
They set up this structure for collecting the ants. What I think is gonna happen is that we're gonna smoke out these ants. But I don't know for sure, we're gonna find out. You're learning with me right now. Follow him. Oh, he's gonna climb up. Oh, is that a nest? Is that an ant nest? I have no idea how this goes together exactly, but we've got smoke over there and we've got a guy in a tree over here. Oh! Dude, these ants bite. Follow him. Let's go, let's go. This is an ant nest. There's ants falling out. They're biting my skin. Okay, so, holy sh. Oh, this one's still biting my ankle. Cool. Hey, I think I figured out how it works. So there's literally millions of ants on here. They get their legs baked off, and the ants are just kind of falling down under this tin right here. Dude, oh my God, he's got ants crawling all over his body. Here, I'll help you. Oh my God, you're just used to this, huh? Hold on, I think you have some ants in your armpit, dude. These little Oh, we have to bleep everything out from this video. Gosh darn these little buggers, huh? Look at this. So you can see all these ant eggs. It's like a big wet mess. Oh, God. Can you put some in my hand? You said we can eat it right now. Oh, it's super warm. It's all cooked up. I mean, they're not moving anymore. They're dead. The ones that keep biting me are not dead. Oh, they're so sour, but there's some other funky flavor in there. It's like kind of earthy. Maybe some of the taint from this tin, but the main flavor is just super sour, like a lime or something like that. That's nuts. This is gonna join a different dish, probably with sticky rice, something like that. We'll find out. I'm just gonna try some eggs. Oh, they pop open like caviar. I think those are the best part. Really clean taste, just nice and citrusy. They kind of pop open like little, get out of here. Like
The fallen ants are packed in banana leaves. From here, they're ready to cook at his granny's house. But while we're out here, Cheyenne wants to show me his favorite hunting tool.
Now, this is a homemade BB gun. If you look closely, it's so fascinating. Like, this is just a hydraulic press right here. I think he needs to pump air into that to take a shot. Here you can see the hydraulic gauge, so he knows if there's enough pressure inside. He's got BBs here on a little magnet. I'm not sure what he's planning on hunting. Probably some kind of bird or small rodent. You really think you can do this? With like 3 of us following you, being all loud?
Most of the mechanisms are made from recycled bicycle parts, even the BB bullets. Before we head out, he fires off a couple rounds to show me what his Schwinn AR is really made of.
Did you get it? Oh, look at this. It's a good shot. This tree is bleeding. I think it's gonna be okay. All right, can you do that to an animal now? You ready?
Ready.
Okay. Oh, what the f? Do you speak English?
No.
No.
Oh, yes.
Let's go. All right, so right now we're looking for some birds, maybe a squirrel, reindeer, alligator, octopus. I'm not really looking, I'm just trying to look cool. He found a clue. Oh, he's just eating some fruit. Okay, never mind. Thanks, man. It's a fruit. There's a bird. Oh, up here. Oh, it's so tiny. I don't know. Right now we're in your kitchen. First of all, thank you for letting me in your home. Second of all, I'm sorry to say this, but I discovered that you've been doing drugs. Yo, that's a fat cloud. Hey, YouTube can't be demonetized because it's cultural. Just doing what the locals do.
The main dish for today's dinner, ants. First, peanuts are mashed in a mortar and pestle, then garlic and chili together. Those are the main ingredients. Super easy. You can even make it yourself at home.
I like a chef that smokes while he cooks. Just please don't ash in the food. Dude, are you lighting up another cigarette? What?
In a hot pan, he adds oil, turmeric powder, and mashed peanuts. Fries it up a little, then adds mashed garlic and chili.
The big move right now, and he's gonna dump them in. Oh, it's gonna be a great sizzle. Oh, dude, those ants are popping. Some ants and eggs, it's all exploding. Oh my God, even in their death, they're still hurting me. Next, he's coming in with the salt. Now, you don't wanna put the salt too early because it'll extract all the moisture from your ants. This is all done, it's fried up. Can I try some? How do I try it? Yeah, pull it off. Oh, it's pretty hot. Wow, very similar taste. Still quite sour. Now it's just more balance of flavors and then a little bit of crunch with the peanut, obviously. I don't know, I'm very curious to find out if they just eat this plain or if they're gonna mix that up with some rice instead because the taste is pretty powerful. All right, well, good luck, bye.
Next, beef that's been preserved by drying. Perfect if you don't have a refrigerator. Granny cooks the beef in hot charcoal cinders. On the side, she mashes a combination of garlic, chili, salt, and MSG. When the beef is cooked, she beats her meat, tears it into little pieces, and mixes it all together.
We're doing it. We're having dinner. I want to say, first of all, thank you so much for inviting me into your home. I understand that you don't know English, so don't feel obliged to respond. Oh, and this is your granny. Mingalaba. So right here, I like this. It's like a communal platter. We put some banana leaves down, some rice on top. We have a bird.
Our bite-sized fowl is cleaned and feathered, put on a skewer, seasoned simply with salt, and placed over the fire.
Let's jump into it. Humbo. Okay, that might mean eat. Let's try it out. The rice tastes like rice. So this one is the beef jerky. Plop it on there, and here I go. It's very salty and very spicy. It's got some kick, man. It made my voice deep. He's going for the bird. He's having some right now. Oh, here's a little bit of breast meat, I think. There we go. Everything's splendid. Everything has a little bit similar taste, like spicy, salty, and kind of fresh. Last of all, these ants are really supposed to go with the rice. And eat. That's what's up, man. That's the way to do it. It's such a strong flavor. You gotta cut the flavor with a bit of rice. And it's quite nice. Super spicy, a little sour, nice crunch of peanut in there. And to wash it all down, some tea. Acai. If you guys don't mind, I think we can keep eating. I'm gonna cut to my conclusion. Let's do that.
Out here in Myanmar's backcountry, each day is earned. Hard work is a way of life, and survival depends on it. But that's not such a bad thing. There's a visceral sense of community and accomplishment that comes from building something with your own two hands, from hunting or foraging for your own food, or from cooking a meal for a lost friend, making a complete stranger feel a little less out of place. Kebabs in Iran, banh mi in Vietnam,
I love it.
boudin sausage in the US.
I like that a lot.
There's one thing that connects us all. It brings out the best in us, showing that despite our differences,
You want to test the blood?
at the end of the day, we're all people. Sometimes very hungry people. So this is an ode to the part of life that unifies us all. Food.
It's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no.
And be sure to check out our second channel, More Best Ever Food Review Show, for raw clips and deleted scenes that didn't make it into the show.
Thank you so much for joining us today. What a day. We'll see you tomorrow. Oh, for you, it's gonna be in like 4 to 5 days to 7 days. Thank you for watching. Peace.